Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Kalshi running slowly, acting strange, or failing to update because your iPhone storage is almost full? Here's the quick fix from iPhone settings. First, go to your settings app and then tap general, then tap iPhone storage. At the top, you'll see a colored bar. If it's nearly full, Kalshi cannot gauge market data, download updates, or render properly. Scroll down the app list and look for apps you have not opened recently. Tap on one and then tap Offload app. This removes the app but saves its data, freeing up space immediately. Also, scroll to the top of the iPhone screen and check for iPhone's recommendations like review large attachments, which lets you delete big files from iPhones. And then after freeing several gigabytes, scroll down to Kalshi and then tap on it and tap offload the app. After offloading it, go to the App Store and search for the Kalshi app, then reinstall it. A clean install with adequate storage available will fix slow performance and display errors straight away. So all you've got to do is go to settings, general, iPhone storage, offload unused app, clear attachments, then reinstall it fresh. Performance will be restored and that's it. Subscribe.